So I've been exploring Galileo FX for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the Galileo FX. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Galileo FX. Well, it's an automated forex trading tool designed to make trading easier, whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader. One of the main draws of Galileo FX is its ease of use. You don't need any prior coding or trading experience to get started. With over 130 pre-configured settings, it's ideal for those who want to jump into trading without spending hours analyzing the market. The bot also offers a variety of customizable trading styles, ranging from slow and cautious to fast and aggressive, just to fit your specific goals. Additionally, the interface is straightforward, making it beginner-friendly. But let's be real, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are some cons to consider. As with any trading system, there's always a risk. Galileo FX does include a stop-loss feature to help minimize losses, but keep in mind that no trading bot can guarantee profits. Market volatility is unpredictable, and Galileo FX results can vary based on market conditions. Additionally, it's not free. You'll need to purchase one of its packages, with costs ranging between €599 and €2,486, depending on the features you want. On the positive side, real-world user reviews are mostly positive. For example, the Pro version with premium settings has delivered impressive results for some, boasting net profits of up to $6,525. But this is typically for more experienced traders who can handle the risks. Overall, if you're looking for an automated trading solution and are aware of the risks involved, Galileo FX is a solid choice. But as always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.